Nigerians were told the Port Harcourt refinery was finally working again. Adedapo Segun, then EVP of Downstream at NNPCL Limited, proudly appeared on national TV, vowing that the central unit was ready.
Port Harcourt refinery will start producing middle distillates to tank.
Refined products had been shipped to Dubai and local marketers were lifting. Nigerians were made to believe that a global contractor, Technimont, was on the job. But just months later, the refinery collapsed, turned off, set for sale, over $2 billion squandered without a working refinery. While the EFCC is now investigating contractors and refinery executives, the man who oversaw it all, former NNPCL Treasurer Head, NNPCL Downstream Head, and now NNPCL Chief Financial Officer Adedapo Segun, have not been suspended nor arrested or questioned. Instead, promoted to Chief Financial Officer of NNPCL. If he oversighted mismanagement of over $2 billion in a refinery project, questionable NNPCL retail OVH acquisition, what is he doing managing Nigeria's oil finances? Was the refinery shut down to be sold as scrap? Or did the project truly fail under his watch? Segun Dapo must be suspended, investigated, and held accountable for incompetence. This message is from the Center for Oil and Gas Sector Reform and Transparency.